This will be the world's fastest internal microphone review for the brand new Lumix S1 Mark II camera. I'm going to test and compare the raw processing of the audio right from the camera with the post-processing audio cleanup from some of the AI tools in Premiere Pro. I'm going to test the bi-directional audio capabilities, so whether I'm looking into the camera talking or I'm facing the camera towards things and talking. And the third test is going to be how well it isolates background noise from what I'm speaking to the camera without any AI noise removal. So what you're hearing right now is raw audio right out of the microphone, and you've been hearing that ever since the video started. But right now is what you're gonna hear through some very light processing in Premiere Pro. I don't like to drag a lot of the sliders super heavy. I don't like big equalizers. I like my audio to sound as natural as possible, unless I'm obviously producing a podcast or something like that. Because the thing with microphones these days is that everything sounds really good, and a lot of it comes down to personal preference and then the sound stage that you're trying to create for your audience. Morning. Morning. Cyclist. So you've already heard the audio of me speaking right into the camera. Now we're going to flip it around and do documentary style to see how well it picks up the voice, and it might change the soundscape of where I'm speaking. One thing I really like about the Deity Duo 4 mic is that it has a capsule on the front as well as the rear, so that when you're talking into it, it doesn't matter if it's vlog style into the camera. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Or if you're documentary style like I am now, it has two microphones so it can pick up. But I'm hoping the problem is fixed with a lot of these other cameras, is that it shouldn't really matter the direction that you're speaking, because it should be, is the term bi-directional, so it goes everywhere? Because I don't know about you, I always have a little fear, like I'm going to break the microphone off the hot shoe on the top. And I've personally seen people have broken the microphone ports off of their camera before. Oh, the squirrel's throwing stuff. And the very last thing I want to do is send a brand new $4,700 camera into repairs because I broke the microphone port off. Oof, that'd be so terrible. I'm not even gonna think about it. I know it might look like I'm in the middle of the forest, but there's actually a really busy main road right above there where I can hear cars. Can you? There's also some mallard ducks quacking in the background, a couple squirrels chirping. I have the decibels in the camera set to -8 to alleviate any clipping. I don't have any noise cancellation internally enabled on the camera. I don't even know if this Lumix has that option, if I'm to be honest with you. Yeah, it's pretty silent. Yeah, I can't see the decibel meters moving on the channel indicators on the screen. I think that this is pretty silent. Oh, did the camera pick that up? There was a Ford Super Duty with a big blow-off valve rolling coal down 32nd Street. I don't think the camera picked that up. Oh, there's a car alarm going off a couple blocks away. There we go. Can we see the squirrel there? Is he camera shy? Let's see how well the 5.1K 200% zoom works. Here's a bonus audio test on a busy street corner, but real quick, does your city have a green onion-shaped water tower? Hey, no, it's a good tourist attraction. There's an acceptable amount of background noise when you're in a populated environment that you want to capture. Oh, actually, perfect. There's some music here. Please don't get a DMC strike on YouTube. Please, please, please. All right, time to leave. I like to say that I am the niche of my own YouTube channel. Oh, coppers. I make videos about tech and gear, cameras, live streaming and content creation tools. I'm big into finance and health and fitness. And some way or another, all of those topics are going to come together and this YouTube channel I'm growing. So if that interests you, I would appreciate a thumbs up on this video and a subscription to the channel. We passed 200,000 views not too long ago, and I actually only need a couple hundred more subscribers to start making money off of these videos. That's all I got for you today. Derek out.